Hey guys, what's up? So I wanted to bring y'all a quick little video about a new app that I'm using that, of course, gives you free money. Y'all know we love the shmoney. Let's see here. I'm sorry if you can hear the weird noises. That is Pinner, my dog, feeling like he needs to snort all over the camera. So the app we're talking about today is Zynn, Zynn, and it looks like this right here, this black and yellow that is showing up on my screen right now. I'm going to click it, and basically what this is, I'm going to explain a little bit before I click off because this is going to play a video. I'm not really aware how to turn down the volume of the video without also pausing you guys. So basically you're gonna watch like TikTok videos pretty much, and you get like, I don't know, 10 cents for every 6 videos you watch or something like that. But as you can see, I have $9.82 already built up. After I cash out this $1.38 points, I should be able to redeem some cash. So I'm gonna kind of give y'all just a little quick view of what it looks like, and I'm gonna hook y'all up with a friend code so y'all can use my code and get something free, and I can get something free. So let's see. Okay guys, first of all, here's my friend code right here, 38C6BE3. I will put this in the comment section below and probably in the description. So go ahead and look in the description box, and I will have like a link with the code. Please don't forget to use my code, guys. Nobody's used it yet, so I want to see what I get. Like, let me show you what some of these videos are like.
May feel nice if you follow the page.
And I will retire with the crown. Yes, no, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed.
So basically, you're just going to watch as many videos as you can stand, and you're going to get some money for it. And if you use my code, I think you end up getting like $2. I believe that's what I got, which is a good start because you can cash out at $5. So I'm going to show y'all a couple of things real quick. Like, I'm going to show you how to turn your points into dollars, and then I'm going to cash out $10 to PayPal, and I guess just prove to you guys that it's real, you know. So you'll drag it all the way over to max if you want to cash everything out, and I do, so I'm going to redeem it. It's just telling me my total after I cash it in, which is cool with me. Now I have $11. I'm going to click withdraw. Okay, and as you can see, I can withdraw $10 to PayPal. So let's see what's up. I'm going to bind my PayPal. If anybody wants to PayPal me money, it is tiedye2011@gmail.com. Of course, I'm just playing, you guys. Let me pause this so I can, whoops, excuse me. Why can't I grab it? Okay, I'm gonna pause this so I can type in my password real quick. Okay guys, so now moved on over to my PayPal, and I have received $10. So it works. The $10, as you can see, cashed out right there, now at $119. So this app is real, and it gives you real money, and you should really join it. Use my code 38C6BE3 and get some extra cash when you sign up. And if you have any questions, hit me up. Y'all can follow me on here, basically Bree. It looks like my ID is 4425318. I have a couple videos. Follow me, like them. You know the deal, guys. So I hope this video helped, and once again, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.